Family, Black Phoenix checking in. So I just took my welder out the back of the truck and I rhino lined the bed. I had bought some of the can, the gallon where you kind of roll it on and spray it. So I did it myself. Turned out pretty good for what I was using it for. You know, it's a work truck, so you know, it ain't like I'm using it as a short truck, but I want to keep it up, you know, keep it going, and just make it easier to maintain. And a lot of times, you know, we'll think that we got to go extremely outside the box, man. We can just take our time and use what we got and actually make something happen, you know what I mean? We started going broke and stuff, you know what I mean? So I sprayed this myself. Wasn't bad at all. Turned out pretty good. You know, from what it is, it turned out real good. The sun is kind of bright out here today. So, but I got it lifted off and getting everything set so I can have it going. So I got a job I'm about to get ready to go do. And I won't be using my equipment, only my certs and tools. And I'm making damn good money plus per diem, so it's most definitely worth it. So I'm taking my unit off and sitting it down so I can go get another bag. You know how I go. So as you see, I'm lining everything out, man, so I can know what I need and what I don't need, because I don't like taking things I don't need. That's just more room for someone to steal something from you. That's the way I look at it. So I like to take what I need and maybe a couple things just in case, but I like to know, you know, the job that I'm doing, the task, and have the necessary tools to complete the task. So that's always been my goal. So that's what I'm doing today, man. Get my hog on at the headquarters. Black Phoenix, I'm out.